structures. I put some paper here because this one will have liquid. I will make a puncture here. And actually, you will see some of the aqueous humor coming out. Okay, now that we open it, we can see here the ventral humor. We will take some off of the ventral humor so you can see here on the back the iris of the cow. Now, on this part, we will take it out so we can see the cornea and this hard part that I have on my head is the lens. Is the lens of the cow. I don't know if you can see it there. So that's my cow eye dissection. And now I will talk about the disease of the eye, and this is that is glaucoma. Glaucoma is a disease with the aqueous humor of the eyes. It doesn't get out, and it become create pressure on the eye, and patients can lose vision, peripheral vision, and permanent vision of the eyes. They don't take attention. There is two types of glaucoma: acute and chronic glaucoma, and both need medical attention because if not, the patient can lose the vision. And like I said, thank you for watching my video.